children, welcome back to our maths class. So as you have already learned in our previous class about 5 and 6 digit numbers, so just let's start our exercise. First exercise children, so exercise 1.1. Okay, so let us start with the first bit children. What is our first bit? Look at the abacus and write the number. Okay, so here an abacus picture is given for us in the question. Yes children, you already know what is an abacus instrument, how you have to arrange the beads and all, everything you know. So here in the picture, the beads are all arranged and given for us. So looking at the beads, you need to write what is the number for this arrangement. Right children? So and the places also are given here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. You need to just observe in each place how many beads are there and then write the number starting from the ones place. So how many beads are there in ones place? Only one bead is there. So what is the digit in the ones place now? 1. Okay. So next, coming to tens place children. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3. So what is the digit now in the tens place? 3. Then hundreds place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 in my hundreds place. Next coming to thousands place 2 beads. So 2 in my thousands place. And then last 10,000s place 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 beads are there. So 4 in my 10,000s place. So this is the number. Let us put comma for this or mark its period children. You know, ones, tens, hundreds are in ones period and then thousands and 10,000s are in 10,000 period. Separate them. Okay. So after ones period is completed, put a comma here. Okay. So how do I read this number now? 42 in thousands period. So 42,631. So this is how you have to solve the first problem children. Okay. Okay children, so I hope you understood the first bit. So likewise you solve the remaining sums in the first bit children. So let us move on to our second bit here. So what is my second bit here? What is our second bit? See the question here children. Mark the periods using commas and write the number in words. That is nothing but writing in words or writing the number name for the given number children. Okay, and we need to also mark the periods using commas here. So first let us write down the given number here in our solution children, and first we need to mark the periods. So how do we mark the periods? Period wise separate the digits using comma. As you know, the first period contains 3 digits, that is ones, tens and hundreds place, separated with a comma. Next, thousands and 10,000s place, separated with a comma. Okay children, so this is our number. Now see here, this is coming under ones period, this is coming under thousands period, this is under lakhs period children. Okay, so here how do I write this number? Before writing the number children, you read the number for yourself. So the way you are reading, the same thing you will be writing here children. So look here, 4 is in lakhs period, period wise you read the number. Okay, 4 is in lakhs period, 4 lakhs. Then read the 2 digits under thousands period together, 37. Okay, 37 thousands. And then nothing is there in hundreds and tens period, only 5 in the ones. Okay, so 5. So how do I read this number? 4 lakhs 37,005. The same thing you write it in words children. So 4 lakhs 37,005. So while writing the number name or while writing in words, be careful with the spellings children. Lakhs, thousands, hundreds, each and every spelling write very clearly and correctly. So this is how you have to mark the periods and write the number name. Okay. So I hope you understood. The same way you solve the remaining, try to solve the remaining sums in this bit. Now let's come to our third bit children. Let's come to our third bit, writing in figures. Okay. your children. So let us see what is our third bit here. Write in figures, that is writing in number or notation, children. So what is our first question? 8,52,174. 8,52,174. Children, while writing the number, you have to be very careful so that you will not miss any digit in any place or put the number or put the digit in wrong place. So I suggest you to first write down what places you know so that you can write the number after writing the places, so that you will not make any kind of mistake here. So let's see here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, th, 10,000, th, and then lakhs. So I have written here 6 places, children. Now let us read the question and write down one digit in that place. Now what is this first one? 8 lakh. So 8 is in lakhs place. 8 is in lakhs place, children. Next, 52,000. So 52, 5 and 2. You know that in thousands period 2 places are there. 10,000 and 1,000. So 52. 2 digits now. 52 thousands. And then 174. 100. So 1 comes under hundreds place. And then you have 74. 7 and 4. So if you write in this manner, children, you are not going to make any kind of mistakes. So first write down the places and then write the number, and we can mark the commas also. Okay, children. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand and 10,000s, comma. So this is our number, children. This is the way you have to write in figures, children. So likewise you complete, try to complete the remaining sums in this bit, children. Okay, children. So let's move on to our fourth bit. So what is the fourth bit, children? Give the standard form for the following. So the question is given here in expanded form, that is the number is expanded and given for us. We have to make it short. Standard form or short form also we call, children. Okay. So how do I write the short form for this number? Now first we need to observe the places here, children. Okay. Whether all the places are present or not. Okay. So let's start with the right side, children. Okay. So single digit. So it belongs to ones place. Next, 2 digits. Tens place is there. 3 digits hundreds. 4 digits thousands. And then I have 5 digits 10,000s. Then 6 digits, that is lakhs place. So all the places are present, children. Why I am writing like this? Because when I am writing the answer here, so if any place is not given, then I need to observe that and put 0 in that place in my answer. That's the reason why I have written like this. Before writing the answer, we need to check like this. Okay, children. So here, let's start writing our answer starting from our ones place, children. So 4 in my ones place. Next, 10 in my tens place. Should I write 10 here, 2 digits? No, children. I should write only the first digit of this tens place, that is 1. Then hundreds place, first digit 5. Okay, children. Next, so the ones period is completed. Okay, I can put a comma. Then in my thousands period, the first digit is here 6. Next, here 10,000s, first digit 7. And then thousands period is completed, put a comma. And then lakhs, first digit 9. So what is my number now? 9,76,514. This is the standard form for this, children. We can even call it as short form. Okay, children. So let's move on to our fifth bit, the last bit of this exercise, children. So that is nothing but write the expanded form of the following. So the question is given like this, children. The number 58014, and we know the places and all. Okay, so let us write first places so that we can expand it easily. Right? So this is my ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So you need to write this expanded form in words as well as number, children. Okay, so that's the reason why the arrow marks are given here. First we will write the expanded form in words. That is, take each digit, which place it is in, write down first and then write the place value. Okay, so two ways of writing the expanded form we are going to see here, children. So first, using the place name. What are the places? So first digit 4 is in ones place. So it is going to be written like 4 ones, children. 4 ones. Next, 1 is in tens place. 1 tens. Next, 0 in hundreds place. 0 hundreds. I'll write, children. You can even like skip it in the answer. But first let us write completely each and everything. Okay. So 0 hundreds. Next, 8 is in thousands place. So 8 thousands. Finally, 5 is in 10,000s place. So 5 10,000s. So we have written, what did we do, children, here? We have written each place along with its, each digit along with its place. Okay, the same thing we are going to write it in numbers, children. The same one. 4 ones, you know what is 4 ones? 4 ones is 4. Okay, so 4 ones is nothing but 4. 1 tens is nothing but 1 tens is 10. 0 hundreds, you know 0 into anything is 0. Okay, children, so 0 hundreds simply 0. 8 thousands, 8 into 1000, 8,000. Finally, 5 10,000s. 5 into 10,000, 5 10,000s are 50,000. This is 5 10,000s. Okay, children. So now we will write the expanded form. Okay, just we need to put these things together and write like a statement. Okay, children. So the first we are going to use this and write. Okay, so let me start with this last one. 5 10,000s plus 8,000s plus 0 hundreds. You can write it or you can skip it, children, because only 0 is there. Okay, straight away you can go to 1 tens plus 4 ones. Now let me write the same thing in another form using this now. Okay, children. So 5 10,000s is nothing but 50,000 plus 8,000 plus 1 tens is 10 plus 4 ones is 4. So these are the two ways of writing the expanded form, children. Okay, so I hope you understood. One more sum is there in this bed. You can write it in the same manner. Right, children? Thank you.